Hey guys, this is Pat from lockit.com, and today we're just going to rekey a 3755 padlock that a customer sent in. He wants us to set it to a different key number, so that's what we're going to do. To start, this handy doodad here holds the lock. When you start to repin it, what you need is a flat screwdriver. Loosen the inside retainer nut. Just drop that out. There we go. You want to make sure to always keep your finger on that retainer plate here. Close the lock. Set it in the holder and you can start removing all the innards. You need a little special pincer here. Take the anti-drill plate out. This is a neutral disc that we're gonna actually reuse, and I've got already all the discs ready for this lock. It's set to this new key here, so we're gonna throw away these retainer spacers. So we're gonna put new ones in anyway. I just like to keep those discs for further use later. We clean them up and reuse them if they are still good, of course. Otherwise, not. So one, two, okay, that's that. Let's start putting the new ones in. It's a little bit of a tedious job, and you gotta make sure they're all sitting in there nice and flat. Happens. Okay, got it in. Mr. Neutral goes back on top. It's actually a disc number 6, really. This plate, this guy goes in. At this point, before you do anything, you can actually check if you got them all right. And in this case, not a problem. Turns all beautiful. This guy back in. And done. 3755 ABUS at lockit.com. Thank you for watching.